Hello and welcome back to Crucial Tech. So today on this channel we'll be doing an unboxing video of the ThinkPlus LivePods XE05. So as you can see, this is the packaging, nothing much to it. Let's unbox it, let's just get to it and see what we have here. So when you open it, this is what you get out of the box. You have the earphones themselves, wireless earphones. You have the earbuds. There are two extra pairs. The earphones also has there's a pair already installed on the earphones. Then you have two extras depending on your ear size or ear type. Then you have a short charging cable. I will call it too short, but yeah, that's what you get here. No charger in itself. They assume you have a charger. There's a QC card to show that the earphones went through a quality check. Then you have a manual, so you can read it, get to understand how it works. There is a lot of Chinese. Then there is one side is Chinese, one side is English. So if you want to read that, you can read it. So the earphones themselves, let's see what you got here. So these ones, they come in the green color, though we have a few other colors. I think there is red, black, and I think red, black, and a few others. But for this one, I went with green. But they're all the same. The only difference is the color. So in terms of quality, it's not a bad quality. I think it's comfortable. We have a rubber band to it, so it won't break. The cable, it's not the best, but it's good enough. Let me try to turn them on. Now we have power up, power down, and we have volume up, volume down, and I think the middle should be there. We have another button here. I think this is the power. Let's see. This is the charging port. This is the charging port. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, this is where you plug in your charger. It's 5 volts, so you can use any phone charger that you have lying around. And then I think this is the power out. Let's try powering here. I hope you can see the light. So it is on. Let me get a phone, try to pair it. So here's my phone. Let's try pairing up. Pair new device. Now here you go. Lenovo ThinkPlus XE05. Let's see how the pairing process. Not that fast. And let's say, okay, now pair. Yeah. So they come with 100% battery. That's good. So time for a music test. Let's go to Spotify. Where is that? Let's open up our Spotify. And I must say, they sound good. They sound good enough. I'm sure from your side you can't hear them, but they're good enough. So what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to do a full review of them. I'll test them for like a week, then I'll come back with a full review of what I think about them, and then I'll tell you if they are worth it or if they are not worth it. So subscribe to the channel so that by the time the video drops you get a notification, so that you get to know about these earphones. So these are the things you get out of the box, nothing much. So thank you, see you on the next one.